After his resurrection, Jesus gives his disciples a final commission. He says, "Go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit." He says in the name. One name, one divine identity, yet three distinct persons: Father, Son, and Spirit. This is not poetic language. It is not metaphor. Jesus gives a formula for entering into the life of God himself, and he places Father, Son, and Spirit side by side under one shared divine name. In just one sentence, Jesus affirms unity and distinction. Not three gods, not one person appearing in three ways. One God whose unity is richer than human categories allow. The early church did not invent this idea. It came from Jesus himself in the final chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. The Father is God, the Son is God, the Spirit is God, but they are not each other. This is the God revealed by Jesus Christ, the God who is one, and the God who is not solitary. Tomorrow, for day 26, we move into the book of Acts, where the Spirit is called God directly.